Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Segway Ninebot scooter powers on normally but the throttle refuses to respond, you are definitely not alone. Throttle issues can occur because of software glitches, low battery power, loose connections, or safety settings that prevent acceleration. Fortunately, a non-working throttle doesn't always mean that the Segway Ninebot scooter needs major repairs. In many cases, simple troubleshooting methods can help restore normal performance and get you back on the road. Before replacing any components, there are several easy checks worth trying. In this video, I'll guide you through several simple steps that may help fix a Segway 9-bot scooter throttle that is not working properly. Try these. Step 1. Verify that the Segway 9-bot scooter has enough battery power for normal operation. Step 2. Restart the Segway 9-bot scooter to clear temporary software issues. Step 3. Inspect the connections associated with the Segway Ninebot scooter throttle system. Step 4. Check the settings and riding mode selected on the Segway Ninebot scooter. Step 5. Examine the throttle control on the Segway Ninebot scooter for physical damage or obstruction. Step 6. Confirm that the Segway Ninebot scooter accelerates normally.